In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote jobs online effortlessly. Whether you're looking for a new opportunity or simply exploring options for improved flexibility in your work life, this guide will help you navigate the world of remote job listings with ease. Let's begin by focusing on the essentials. The first thing we need to do is locate the search field. This field is typically a prominent feature on most job search platforms, often found directly on the homepage or labeled clearly for easy access. Once you spot it, click into the search field. Here's where you can harness the power of keywords. Think about the specific type of role you're interested in, or perhaps a particular company you admire. You can enter either job titles, duties, or a company's name to refine your search. So, take a moment to consider what aligns best with your career aspirations or professional background. After entering your keywords or company name in the search field, let's turn our attention to the location field. This is a crucial step for remote job seekers, as it allows you to specify your preference for working remotely. Click into the location field, and you'll likely see a drop-down menu populated with various options. From here, you'll want to select Remote to ensure you're only viewing jobs that offer the flexibility of working from anywhere. This is an excellent filter that tailors your job search results to your specific needs, highlighting positions that don't tie you to a particular geographic location. Once you've made your selection, get ready to be directed to the search results page. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of job postings that match both your specified job role and the location preference of remote. It's like opening a treasure chest of opportunities right at your fingertips. With results in front of you, you can dive into each listing that piques your interest. This is where you take the time to read through job descriptions, required qualifications, and company details to ensure it's a good fit for your skills and career goals. Navigating these listings with criteria specifically tailored to your interests makes your job search more efficient and effective. As you review the results, don't hesitate to bookmark or save your top choices. Many job search platforms offer the functionality to save your selections, which can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of the roles you're interested in pursuing further. And there you have it. A straightforward approach to finding remote work opportunities that match your professional ambitions. By carefully entering keywords and selecting the right location, you're well on your way to discovering job options that not only align with your career interests, but also offer the flexibility to work from wherever you choose. Thank you for watching, and happy job hunting!